When should I buy life insurance? It's never too early or too late in life to buy life insurance. The sooner you buy it, however, the less expensive it might be. Why? Your age and health history are two of the factors that determine the cost of your premium rate, the amount you pay for your policy. What better time to purchase your first life insurance policy than when you're young and healthy? The type of life insurance policy you may need will depend on your unique situation, including your stage of life. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.